Hey, I'm going to show you how to fulfill your Shopify orders worldwide using Amazon inventory and how to automate that process. My name is Joe. I'm the founder of Order Automator. It's a Shopify app that automates workflows, connects marketplaces like Amazon, and helps boost your revenue. I'm a former Amazon seller and Shopify store owner, and I used to use the same exact workflow to fulfill my orders all over the world as I was nomadic and not touching inventory at all. And it's a pretty cool flow. Here we go. Here's the Order Automator in the App Store. So check that out. Order Automator has a bunch of other features. We're going to focus on the Amazon feature today. After you've installed the app, you'll come here to the integrations page, and we have different marketplaces. We're going to focus on Amazon right now. So you can connect any Amazon MCF marketplace that exists. There's 11 of them right now. And when you're coming to the app, you're just going to select whatever marketplace. So this is assuming you already have that marketplace in Amazon. That'll bring you to your Seller Central account. You connect, and then you come back, and you can enable the feature, set up all of these different options. If you're familiar with MCF, it's multi-channel fulfillment. Once you're in Amazon Seller Central, you can create these orders manually to ship orders from your Amazon inventory off of Amazon. So when we have it connected here with Shopify, you can automate this whole process. You just configure your settings, your shipping map, different options like ship blank packages. We have an Amazon delivery badge, which this is a pretty cool feature just of this that deserves its own separate shout out. So if I'm on a product page in my Shopify store, this is just a boring demo store, but you can see we have a delivery badge here. So if I enable that in Order Automator, I can show to customers exactly when that order is going to come. This is a huge advantage because this is what people expect when they're on Amazon. You can come here, let's say if you need something urgent, you can come here, see when it's getting delivered. That's going to set it up for you. So that's just one of the things you can do. But, not to get in the weeds with all the options. So I'm just going to show you the SKU map here. So basically the way this works is when you connect your Shopify store with Amazon, you enable the feature here, and then you're going to select whatever products you want to be able to ship from Amazon. And so nothing's going to happen right now. You're just enabling it. You can later request fulfillment manually or set up rules to automate it. The way that I got this now, I got my options all set up. I got my SKUs mapped, but just to show you that when you're setting up, you go to a product in Shopify and you are just going to select your locations to where you ship from. So in this case, I'm shipping from Canada, Germany, US. If I want to also ship from Amazon, Australia, if I have that hooked up, I have inventory, I can do that. So that's also another option. I just select that. And now when I'm back in Amazon, because I'm shipping from the US, that product, it is showing that and I have inventory. So that's the setup right there. Now, when you have it set up, you have two options. So a new order comes in, and we're going to use that same kettlebell product. Someone purchased this product on your web store, and now in Shopify, you're going to see the new order came in. So here's an example. We got this order, and it's assigned to FBA United States Order Automator. This is just based on the routing settings that you have, and also you can use Order Automator to automatically handle that. So if an order comes to the US, you can say automatically set to this location, automatically request fulfillment. Right now, I don't have any automation rules set up, so I'm just going to do the manual process. I click request fulfillment, and I will have the notification sent to the customer afterwards, and then submit that. Now you can see that the fulfillment has been requested, the order is in progress, and if we come down here, Order Automator accepted the request to fulfill that item, and you can see that it's because Amazon accepted that fulfillment request. So what happened right there is I requested the fulfillment in my Shopify store. That triggered to Order Automator because it's connected to create that order in the Amazon MCF account, and that order is created by Amazon. That's in progress, and we show that right here. When Amazon ships that order, it's going to let Order Automator know, and then it'll come up here and update this order. It'll mark it fulfilled, add the tracking, trigger the notification to send to the customer. That order is complete. We didn't touch any fulfillment. We didn't manually do anything except the request fulfillment, but now I'll show you how to do that automatically. Back in the Order Automator app, we're on the Amazon feature here. We're going to come back to Order Automations, and this is where you can automatically tag orders or customers. You have a fraud guard. You can prevent fulfillment from automatically happening on high-risk orders. That's pretty cool. That's included in the free feature as well. With the back to the auto fulfill feature, what I want to do is just automate that request fulfillment. When you connect your Amazon, it'll create a fulfillment rule for you and just leave it disabled. I'm going to just open this rule just to see, visualize. So trigger, when a new order comes in, if the assigned location is FBA United States Order Automator, that's the location that automatically was created when you set up the Amazon feature. And if the shipping country is the United States, then automatically request that fulfillment. And these are all set up for you, but you can customize all this however you want. So we have that rule, and now we have that enabled. Now that rule is enabled. So now next time an order comes in and it meets the criteria, just like this order, it's the FBA United States location, the shipping address is the United States, and it has a product that was on Amazon or that's linked to Amazon, it's going to automatically fulfill that for you. So that's whether you have one order a day or 1,000 orders a day, that's going to just automatically happen. And with Order Automator, we're a certified MCF partner. We've been doing this for 7 years now. We process millions of orders, and aside from marketplace integrations, we have other features you can explore later if you want, or you can contact me or my team. We're always here to help you. We engage regular with our community. I'm a founder of multiple businesses in the past. Now I focus on this Order Automator to help Shopify store owners. I know the pain. I used to be one, and so I like to meet people. If you ever want to meet, send an email. And if you just need help or if you want a demo, check out the app. It's at orderautomator.com. I'll have the links in the description, or you can just search Order Automator in the Shopify App Store. I used this. I used to be a digital nomad. I lived 10 years outside of the country, originally from the US. And I had my online store. It was an e-commerce, eco-friendly brand that planted trees, sold bottles, clothing, a variety of accessories. What we did with that is we had Amazon hooked up in USA, Canada, Germany, and UK. And I am a longtime software engineer, and I actually built the first version of this app to automate our fulfillment network like that. So basically we had it so if an order came from the EU, it shipped automatically from Amazon Germany. If an order was in the UK, shipped automatically from UK, US, Canada, you get it. So there's 11 marketplaces. You can connect to any of these and just basically handle your whole order routing from that without ever looking at your inventory. You can ship directly from your manufacturer to Amazon's warehouses worldwide and handle that. And it was a beautiful system, and that became the core of this app. And so I'm hoping that this can help you out, automate your fulfillment, also save on your shipping costs and fulfillment times. With Amazon in the US, you can ship in 2 to 3 days, which is pretty amazing. And you can use that badge on the product page to show people when it's going to ship. So that's it. Check our app out, free trial, and I hope to see you around. If you're a founder, give me a shout. I love connecting. Have a great day and great success this year.